Hey guys, we got this 4 Candies mechanical pencil cute set for test and try. So this is a mechanical pencil set with a point 0.5 piece and two B lead refills. Also comes with a set of the eraser, the refill set and in a nice carry box. So let me just open up this. You can see like the three eraser, extra refillable back eraser for the mechanical pencils, a nice color mechanical pencils that you can use for your work. So these are the erasers, the different nice vibrant colors, and also these refills. So they are 6 refills, as you can see it here. So these pencils are smooth when I test and try this. So you can see like easily writing, and then the use of the eraser to just wipe it off. They have a back eraser as well, and they are the back eraser refills also provided in this pack. So it's a really nice kit with a 6 mechanical pencil set with a 6 barrel color, 360 leads in a 6 tubes, and 3 pieces of the pastel eraser, 9 pieces of eraser refills. So refill and also is very easy and straightforward as I shown, and the eraser is a nice thing as well. So a really great set, nice pencil set with a smooth writing and yeah, durable material and design. So this also have a pen clip on the top and then easy to use and carry. You can refill these leads like from this box and then the total 360 leads like that. So it's a long lasting and just good for your purpose. And as I said, this back eraser refills that you can use in the back of your pencils. So overall, a nice cute set.